Welcome back to Cooking Easy with Pheezy, and today I will show you how to cook a meal for 200 plus people. Okay? First things first, guys, we're gonna boil some eggs here. Here I have 100 eggs, and I'm gonna medium boil it. So that's gonna take us about 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes, okay? And okay, about after the 20-minute mark, because there's a large number of eggs, it took a little longer, about 20-minute mark, I took one egg out and I tested it. I cut it open and it's a perfect texture inside. That's what I want, okay? So we're gonna take it off the heat and we're gonna peel them all, okay, guys? Okay, guys, after I peeled about 100 eggs, I sliced about 50 of them up in half, and you should keep them like this. This is to slap into the middle of the sandwich later. And about 50 eggs I chopped up. I added Japanese mayo, some salt, some onion powder, some black pepper there. Okay? And now we're gonna make the sandwiches. Well, after you assemble the sandwich, it should look like this. And this is how it should look before you cut it. Okay? So here is my second set of sandwiches. Now we're doing the Christmas turkey sandwich, which has cranberry sauce, turkey meat, and stuffing. Alright guys, let's finish these. The next wave of sandwiches will be crispy face grilled cheese. Here we go. Look how juicy the cheese is. Ooh. After the grilled cheese, we're gonna start doing the mac and cheese. Now I'm just boiling some rotini, and then I'll make the sauce. There's all the cheese right here. Ooh. Okay, guys, we're down to the last item here. I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese from scratch. Here I got some rotini that I boiled already, and I got a couple bags of shredded cheddar, a couple bags of milk, some butter, some flour to make a roux, some nutmeg, and we're gonna get started. Okay. So I'm starting our roux here. How you make a roux is equal parts of flour and butter in a pot. I'm just gonna let it go for a bit. As you guys can see, we're gonna brown it so we get rid of the flour taste, the raw flour taste. So we gotta cook it up just a little bit. Okay. Okay, to the roux, I added about 5 liters of milk. Now I'm just gonna bring it to the boil, and then we can add our cheese, and we can season it. Salt, pepper, a little bit of nutmeg. And your mac and cheese should look like this. I topped it off with crushed Cheetos. It'll be a good treat for the kids. Alright guys, that's it. I'm gonna pack everything up and head down to the charity event. Shit's juicy.